Connecticut's aging electrical grid is struggling to meet the state's increasingly growing demands. Weather events related to climate change and our expanding need for electrical energy leave the grid exposed and more vulnerable than ever to persistent power outages. Presently, the typical strategy to deal with these uneven load changes on the grid is to utilize more fossil-fueled power plants to reduce spiky peaks in demand. These peaker plants are both expensive and have large negative impact on the environment. And even though renewable energies contribute an increased amount to the power grid, these systems have major fluctuations as the availability of wind and sun change throughout the day. What's the solution? Microgrids and energy storage systems can be a cost-effective way to add reliability, stability, and resiliency by operating either independently or in conjunction with the existing grid system to regulate its variability. Lantern Electrical offers a complete turnkey solution for the installation of these strategic and resilient systems. Our experienced crews handle technically complex connections of multiple components and grid-stipulated requirements. We perform all site work, concrete, and employ the latest equipment and installation techniques for custom battery solutions in addition to solar ground and roof mount systems. Our team carries a variety of certifications and licenses, including Electrical Unlimited licenses, NABCEP certification, medium voltage certifications, excavation hoisting engineer licenses, boom lift certification, and OSHA 30. How do we do this? The key to delivering on complex installations is proper planning and engineering from project conception. Lantern Electrical and our partner PurePoint Energy have worked in this space together for the past 10 years. PurePoint Energy analyzes clients' energy patterns and value engineers solar and storage projects to design custom-based solutions that optimize a client's technical, professional, and economic expectations. PurePoint and Lantern then deliver on the design, project management, and installation of the customized solution. The entire team know the best way to have a successful project outcome and produce the best results is tried and true teamwork based on expert engineering and design, executed with expert precision. Lantern and PurePoint will spearhead your custom solution from sales and design to permitting through construction, commissioning, and beyond. With comprehensive monitoring packages available, your solar and battery projects will be in expert hands for years to come. Contact us and let us see how we can improve your efficiency, provide resiliency, and enhance your bottom line and the value of your business.